be a good summer, nigga, bro, showing love. In Miami on a boat, take a cruise, just because. I ain't gon' kill me in the hood, you gon' kill me on some water, or you might kill me cashing.
Do it all that I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, do it. Hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As y'all could tell by this vlog, we're going to Miami again. Hold on, I don't think y'all heard me because the fan's loud. Let me tell y'all. We're going to Miami again. Yeah. So right now it's like 4:30. Our plane leave at 8:20. I'm waiting for my friend to come pick me up. She was leaving out the house. She probably almost here. Ooh, what's going on with this? Like that. She probably almost here. But y'all, why is that like that? I can't wait till y'all see what's gonna happen in this vlog. Like, y'all thought the last Miami vlog was something. Wait till y'all see what I got in store for y'all this vlog. This vlog is gonna be crazy. Crazy. When I say crazy, crazy. What is this? Is my hair looking crazy? I'm gonna fix that. But say we supposed to land in Miami at 11:20. So I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm at the airport. I'll show you me and my friend at the airport. I'm talking about in it. And if he want the cat, he gotta spend it. He claimed he smacked the shit. No, he didn't. Can't be running on the city like we did it. Drop it. Why? We at the airport, y'all. Transporting. The airport is airporting.
Hi, how you doing? Alright.
Y'all, we at the airport. About to go through TSA, check these visas, and yeah, let them know. Why the airport so packed? I would hate to be late for a flight right now. I'm gonna come back to y'all when we get to our gate. We just got to Miami. We in Miami turning up another notch. Ooh, these bags is heavy. And it's hot and we didn't even get outside yet. So, yeah. I think we're going to the car.
You remember this walk, Lucy? They've been doing something for the longest.
I'm tired. I am. No, it's not. It's ordered. I'm like, Lord have mercy. Look cute though. I looked better earlier, but this is sweet. I like to drink with Ari because Ari is my baby. I like to drink. Yeah, we're just in the car. We going. Getting ready to go to the waterfall. Body tea. Gucci good. Period. Let me see. Y'all, I just pray to God my wig don't come up with the water.
It's the I pray to God my wig don't come up with me. It's not
It's
going
not
to
gonna fall.
I look really yellow.
I'm in
Hey,
Miami.
the TV phone, the TV phone. My phone ring.
Here you go. I'm gonna show you when we get the water crack. It's a fit check.
See my phone? Yeah, that's it right here. Oh, Lord. Thank you. It's raining.
We not done. We not done. We not done. What? We simple. We about to get ready to go on this motherfucking yacht. What you ready on this yacht?
Oh my God, y'all were tired. Man, what? Especially cause what was yesterday? I went to work. I went to, what that shit is so expensive.
Good morning. It's breakfast. We in Miami turning up another notch. Y'all, so we finna get on this yacht. About to show y'all how to live it up in Miami. So I'm finna get in the shower and stuff, and about to get in the shower, do a little beat. We went to this bar, just trying to sing. This gonna be better than my last Miami vlog. So make sure y'all tap the fucking on that note.
Bitch, we in Miami!
Hey to my vlog.
Man, what's up, man? What's up, vlog, man? What's up, YouTube? Your lovely Bree baby. Man, go fuck with my girl, man.
Got Big Booty Ari in the back. Let him know. We gotta show y'all what's going on up here. Hey! We in Miami.
This is a Prada, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, earrings, Louis Vuitton, you know, period.
I'm Ari, dressed from Shein, shoes from Fendi, bag from Kirk Glurgler.
I'm Sandra, dressed from Dior, because if you love her, Dior her. Bag from Louis, shoes from Gucci, Bottega.
Hey guys, my name is Lucy, dressed from Givenchy, shoes from Gucci, Kirk from Kirk Glurgler. Hi guys, my name is Bree, dressed from Prada. Shoes from Gucci. Bracelet, Louis V.
Hey y'all. Y'all might not be able to hear me over this loud music, but we out to eat at this place called Monty. Whatever. This was just my outfit for dinner. I'm finna change my outfit. Hey y'all. I'm showing y'all my favorite when I go to the club. It's 3 in the morning. Finna go to the club. I got this scarf top on with these black shorts with these heels, and then my purse is red too. Yeah, I had a headache at first, but I just took some medicine, so now I'm cool. Good. I just been loving the scarf trend, so I had to hop on that real quick. But yeah, I just wanted to come show y'all my outfit. I'm gonna edit some clips in from the club too, so y'all might hear from me. If I don't end up editing the clips in from the club, y'all might see me tomorrow when it's time to go to brunch.
Pull up. Throw that money up to make sure the shit hit the ceiling when you pull up with that birthday money. Yeah.
Hi vlog. This is the end of our Miami journey.
My eye fucked up. Look at this shit, y'all. Ooh, that shit look crazy. Oh, look at that.
It's taking too long, y'all.
Damn. I'm in this bitch. Oh, high off of Zooties. A little bit. I probably did what you did.
Cause when it was hurting, it was. Y'all, we have fun. Sort of. We have fun together. So
yeah,
that's
together.
We took real cute pictures. We got more pictures to post. Make sure y'all follow our Instagram at the lovely.bree baby.
Platinum Drizzy.
Period. We 2 baddies has left the villa. 2 bombshells entered Miami. Now we're leaving.
Period.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
I just keep it real,
High volume.
Am I really that much?